She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a quick makeup look. I don't know what it's gonna be. I'm gonna put the title so you guys will obviously know what it is. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my makeup today.
I'm not really like a makeup guru or anything like that.
So please do not judge on my technique. I'm gonna link all this stuff below, and if you guys want to watch, we're gonna start with, I didn't prep my face because I don't have any moisturizer or anything, so yeah, I would recommend doing that, but I don't. So I'm gonna start with the primer. I'm using the Wet n Wild Dewy, this one right here. I'm just gonna put it. I usually just put this like on my cheeks, and I don't really like put it anywhere else. I just kind of put it just like right here. Fit Me concealer, which I have to buy a new one because I've had this for like a year and a half, and I know I have to get a new one because yeah, this is all I use. I don't really use foundation. I have tried to use foundation in the past, but I just don't like the way it feels on my face. And as you can see, I don't have a lot, so I'm gonna try to use as much as I can. I am very sorry for the lighting. Hopefully I will get lights or something this week. I'm gonna have like a better background for you guys because I know that all of my videos have either been over there with that ugly chair or it's either here, so I just want to like switch it up and make it look better for you guys. Anyway, so yeah, what I usually do is I just wait for my concealer to kind of like not dry down, but I don't know, I just let it sit on my face for a little bit. And yeah.
Hello, Lord Farquaad here, and all I wanted to say was that I had a few minutes worth of video that I was putting my bronzer, but then my man came, and since I'm just starting this YouTube channel, I'm still kind of really nervous around like anybody talking to the camera and stuff, and I just got scared. Also, it is 5 o'clock in the morning right now, and I have to get to bed, so